the context of our country is very well written and very well explained in the books of him. I would highly recommend you to go for Shekhar Bandyopadhyay. And also there is a book which is good for static GK. It is Lucent. Lucent gives you the overview of all the segments related with our history, related with our polity, related with our culture and other things. It is very well recorded in its book. All apart from that, for polity, everyone knows that all the civil servant who are aspiring civil servants, they are very much focused on the book written by Lakshmi Kant. And I by myself would like to suggest to go for the gist of NCERT. Go for the NCERT and cover it all. Apart from that, you can study about polity and the fundamental of political science from the book written by Lakshmi Kant. Lakshmi Kant is very highly preferred one. It has all the information, will give you a very good answers and very good support in the paper that you are going to generally write for essay writing. Apart from that, there is who are aspiring for UGC NET. We all know that UGC NET needs us to get into the syllabus that we have read in graduation time period. But for a boot start, we need to follow two of the publication. One for the paper one, I would suggest everyone to go for Arihant. And apart from that, the KVS Madan is very good book to follow. So these two of the books are very good to if you are starting your preparation for UGC NET. And those who are scholar of CLAT, they know that the legal aptitude has to be paper one, and also the other legal aptitude segment, the questions are given in a publication under the name of Universal. The book Universal is a full-fledged, a good book which helps you to prepare well for your CLAT examination. Apart from that, CLAT has to be done in depth, the IPC and other codes and other laws that you have to do. For that, BL Fadia is also one of the great book which can cover the governance and polity. Apart from that, legal is something which has to be covered from the graduation syllabus as well. Graduation mein to